Good day, everyone. Today, I will be presenting on the effect of staff service speed on customer satisfaction in Southern Leyte food establishments. So, today's highly competitive food industry, customers' expectations are constantly rising, and businesses must deliver not only good products, but also excellent service to remain successful. Service quality is often measured by how well it meets or exceeds customers' expectations. So this presentation will highlight how staff service speed contributes to customer satisfaction, why is it essential in the food industry, and how it can influence repeat patronage and long-term business success. Introduction and background. In today's competitive food industry, service quality means how well a product or service meets or even goes beyond customers' expectations. It depends not only on the results, but also on how the service is delivered. A key part of this is staff service speed. Fast and efficient service avoids delays, prevents customers' frustrations, and improves satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is very important because it shows how successful a company is. While food quality, price, and ambience matter, service speed and efficiency are equally important. When service is good, customers are more likely to enjoy their experience and return to repeat purchase. Different researchers have found that customer satisfaction is influenced by many factors, such as service quality, pricing, innovative services, and products features. In particular, service speed directly impacts satisfaction. The faster the service, the happier the customer. That's why this study focuses on studying the effect of staff service speed and reliability to see how much they influence customer satisfaction in food establishments.
Statement of the problem. Many food businesses struggle to balance quality service with quick delivery, often due to limited staff, high customer demand, or lack of proper system. When customers experience long waiting times, their satisfaction decreases, and they may not choose to return. This study aims to answer the following questions. How does staff service speed affect the satisfactions of customers in food establishments?